Hi, today I will show you how to start up with the AWS CodeCommit. So for the AWS CodeCommit, the first step is create a CodeCommit repository. So let's start. Open your AWS Management Console, click on the CodeCommit, create repository. Write here your repository name like demo repository. This is our demo and click create. You can see that the repository is successfully created now. So just click on the repository. It's showing here demo repository. Let's move to the next step. The next step is add file to your repository. Go to the your repository, click on add file and upload file. You can create file, you can upload your file. So I have some code file, so I will upload it. Upload your file. Choose your file. Here, this one is the HTML file. I will upload this one. The author name will be my name, my email, and the message is message as per, sorry, commit change. Here the file is uploaded now. You can see the repository, my demo repository, then index.html is showing here. Let's move to the next step. The next step is the browse the content of your repository. We already find the our code in our repository. So the next step is make a commit on our code. Open your file, code file, edit, and I want to make a commit on this line. Like I want to change this one as welcome. Author name, email, my email, message, my message. Commit change. HTML has been committed to the master. Go to the commits and we can check here the my message is showing here. Like I want to change congratulations this line to the as a welcome as far as we change in the comment. Now the next step is it's done now. The next step is the my demo repo. Go to the repository, click on your repository, commit it, commit visualizer, and it's showing here as per it's showing in the documentation. Create and collaborate on a pull request. So we will create a pull request. Go to the pull request, click on create, write the name of the your request for the destination. For here we need to add one more branch. Go to the branch, create branch, test branch from master branch, create branch. Now we can see that two branches are showing here. One is the master branch and one is the test branch as we create now. Now go to the pull request, create, select the master branch, source the test branch, compare, title, my request, and description about your request. This is a test request. Create pull request now. Yeah, it's active. Changes, commits. So now we will add a one more commit from the test branch. Go to the code, index.html, test branch, edit. This time I want to change this line. So I will write a commit here. I want to change this line. Author name, my name, email address is my email, and write your message. Commit, change. Now go to the pull request. You see my request, changes here. Before I write here in the commit, I want to change this line against this one. There is a commit here, approval, still there is no approval here. For the approval, we need to create a approval rule. Go to the AWS, approval rule templates, create template, approval name, need to approval for merge. Description, this is important for merge, and we will create. You can see that our approval is created now. The rule for approval is created now. Let's go to the next step. The next step is we will merge pull request state. Okay, so we will go to the repository, open your repository, demo repository, pull request state. As per before, we create one request. For this line, we need to change it. What's the changes? Here I want to change this line, so I will merge it. Before merge, we will check it, is it approved or not. Still no one approved it. In approval, there is no approval. For just for the demo, I will merge this one. Squash and merge. Author name, my email, and merge pull request. So both code are merged now. The test print has been merged into master. It's successfully done now. In the committee, we can see here successfully commits of the squash commit of the following just now. Let's go to the next step, the cleanup. In the cleanup, we will delete all resources from here. Like we will delete the repository, we will delete the committed request and everything. Go to your rule, select the rule and delete it. Type here delete. It's deleted now. Now go to your repository. We will delete this repository. Just click on here and delete repository. Type here delete. And it's deleted now. Thank you so much.